Hello everyone, today I'm going to show you how to fix Wi-Fi is not showing up on Windows 10 or 11. So let's begin. So here we are in our PC, and from here what we're gonna do first, I suggest that you first hold down your power button on the system unit that you have for about 10 to 15 seconds, and after that you will have your computer shut down automatically. Then after that you want to wait for another 30 seconds, and then you want to turn on your computer again and see that the problem has been solved. But if not, then we can now proceed to the next step. So the next step would be going into the start menu, and from here you want to go into search bar and type in adapter, or you can go for change adapter settings right here. But as you can see, it's not right here, so let's just type in network right here, network status under system settings, click on it, and then from here you want to go click here on change adapter options right here, click on it, and then from here you can see the Wi-Fi that you have, or if you're using Ethernet, then you would want to select that. But in my case, I'm using Wi-Fi, so I'm just gonna go select this. So from here we're gonna restart this. So to do that, click on it, right click, and then from here what we're gonna do is simply click on disable, and after you have disabled it, you wanna enable it right again, so that way it would be restarted. But in my case, I'll be not doing that because I want my my Wi-Fi turned on for the recording process right here. But in your case, you need to disable and enable it right away. So once you have done that, and then you can see that the problem has been solved. You can see that the Wi-Fi is now right here. But if you can see it, then what I suggest next is simply going into your services right here, services right there. So once you are here, then you want to find the WLAN. So you need to press W so that you would be prompted right here. So you want to find this WLAN or WLAN auto config, and you want to right click on it, and then from here you want to go and press on restart right here. So once you have done that, then you can see, you can check here if the Wi-Fi has been popped up right now. Then if not, then now we can proceed to the next step. So the next step would be going into the troubleshooter. So go into start menu, type in troubleshooter settings right here, click on it, and from here you're gonna go into additional troubleshooters, and now you're gonna go for internet connections, run the troubleshooter, and you basically need to wait and troubleshoot my connection to the internet right there. And as you can see, mine, I don't have a problem, so this is what it says right here. So if in your case, if troubleshooter detects a problem in your network, then I suggest that you need to follow the steps that would be indicated by the troubleshooter. And then the last thing that we need to do, if none of the steps worked for you, then we can go into our start menu, and from here we're gonna go into device manager right here, and we're gonna go into the network adapters. Let's go here. So we're gonna expand, and what you want to do is you want to find the adapter that you are currently using. In my case, it will be this one, and I want to update this driver, update driver, select search automatically, and just like that. If you don't have any updates available, then you won't be able to do that. Then now what we're gonna do is check again if the Wi-Fi is now in our taskbar, and then if not, then I suggest that you uninstall your driver right here, click on uninstall device right there, and after you have done that, you wanna restart your computer, and this would automatically be reinstalled right here fresh, so that you would have it fresh right here, and then you want to update it again right here, search automatically for drivers, and then just like that you can now see the Wi-Fi icon right here on your task bar. So once you have done that, then that is basically all you have to do to solve this problem, and I hope this video helped you out. Thank you for watching.